Wow, this is Merkant at Mandoria. Over there is Sarah. You have to ride alone. You cannot ride together. Look, there is some theming here in the ride before the lift hill. I love this. It's a very small coaster, but again, it's indoors. We're approaching, we are on the first lift hill. There's two in this one. I am amazed by this park already. This is crazy. First drop. Woohoo! Wow, I got some airtime. You're kidding me. Wow. We're doing the second lift hill. I am blown away by this, guys. Wow. Here we go, the second row. We're gonna do this one through the lobby. Here's the entrance of the park. Oh my god, that's impressive. For an indoor park having this coaster, that was fantastic.